we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is data abstraction in DBMS. So here we are having mainly three levels for this discussion of data abstraction. The first level will be known as the physical level. Now question is coming in mind, then what is a physical level? The lowest level of abstraction describes how the data are actually stored. It describes complex low-level data structure into details. That means in case of physical level, actually it will handle that in which data structure the data will be saved in raw into the database. Will it use B plus tree data structure, or will it use ISAM, that is indexed sequential access method, or hashing, extendable hashing, or say clustering? So in this way, this physical level will deal with the data structure in which the data is going to get saved onto the database. Let us go for the next higher level, that is our logical level. Next higher level of abstraction describes what data are stored in the database and what relationship exists among those data. Describes entered data in terms of small number of relatively simple structures. So that means in case of physical level, we handled the issue, that is how the data will be stored. In case of logical level, it will be handling that what data is going to be stored and what are the relationships between them. And in this particular level, the data will be represented in terms of small number of relatively simple structures, not like the detailing structure or in the physical level which we handled. The next level is our view level. The highest level of abstraction describes only part of entered database. Many users of the database system do not need all these information. Instead, they need to access a part of the database. That means in case of view level, a user, depending upon his or her level of abstraction, a portion of the database will be made available to him or her. That means the full database will not be available. Because why the full database will not be available to the user? Because user does not require it, or due to the safety of the database, all data should not be made available to a single user. That means depending upon the level of abstraction, the data will be made available, will be viewable to the respective user, and that is known as the view level. Okay, now what is a view? View means a scope or permission with the help of which a user can see a portion of the database, a subset of the database. So this is our data abstraction. For the better understanding, we have drawn this respective diagram. There is a level of the levels of data abstraction. The lowest level was the physical level, as we discussed, which will deal that how the data will be stored in raw into the database and what is the relative data structure to be used. In case of logical level, it will deal with the interrelationship between data and what data going to be stored, that will be decided. And in case of view level, it will be divided into view 1, view 2, view 3, view n for n levels of abstraction of the users. And through these views, user can see that portion of the database which will be required by the respective user and which will be allowed to the user to access. In this way, we have discussed this topic, that is data abstraction. Thanks for watching this video.